Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and back out in the workshop, Flint Watchwinder sent over another watchwinder for us to check out. This is similar to the previous one I had last month. Last month it was a 2-watch watchwinder, and this is a 4-watch watchwinder. I'll leave a link in the description to the previous video and also to Amazon where you can purchase this one if you want it. It'll be an affiliate link. But anyway, let's get this open. So I checked on Amazon, and the 2-watch watchwinder is actually on sale right now is the time of recording for $49, and this one is $99. So let's see if we can zoom in here. There we go. So this is the Flint S240. I think the other one is the S120, the 2-watch winder. So made in China here. And I believe this is also going to have the carbon fiber type pattern to it. I don't believe it's actually carbon fiber. It's probably hydro dipping or something like that. But anyway, let's get this out of here. Fashionable way to view and protect your watch. Actually, I'm going to have to pause this after I get it out. I need to get an extension cord so we can see this thing in action. So it has a user manual, comes with a key if you want to lock it, in case you have kids or, I don't know, something like that. You want to keep them under your watch box. So anyway, let's set that down. Looks to be nicely packed in here. Oh, there's the AC adapter. Just drop the manual. So I'm assuming there's going to be 2 separate buttons on the back of this to operate each pedestal independently. Yeah, it looks like right there we have the 2 different settings. This one also does have the battery compartment. I haven't tried the battery compartment on the other one yet. I'm assuming those are size C batteries. But I don't know why you'd want to plug. I don't know why you'd want to use the battery. I would just plug it in. So power for the whole unit, not each pedestal, but you can turn it off right here by the knob. So you have off position for each one. You have clockwise, counterclockwise. Yep, and then you have both directions here, and there's a different time period for each of these. I'll look at that in the manual here really quickly, but let me pause the video. One more thing, there's the felt on the bottom here. And with this one here, I believe it should work the same as the other one. When the door is open, the pedestals will run, but then when you open the door, it stops. I have another watchwinder, actually 2 other watchwinders, where when you open the door, it will still keep running. So that's kind of a nice feature. So yeah, let me grab an extension cord and I'll be right back. All right, so I took a minute to look at the manual here, and hopefully you can see there 5 positions off. First position clockwise for 2 minutes on and 6 minutes off. That's continuously for as long as it's plugged in. And then position 2 is counterclockwise, 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. Position 3, 2 minutes on, 6 minutes off. And then it'll change position. So clockwise first, then counterclockwise. And finally the 4th one there, clockwise for 3 hours on and 9 hours off. And then again, it'll go to counterclockwise, 3 hours on and 9 hours off. All right, let's get the AC adapter out of here. Do a little twisty tie. We'll get it plugged in and play around with it a little bit. The other one has a blue black light. I'm assuming a blue backlight. I'm assuming this one has the same. So let's get it plugged in here. So both of the positions, both of the knobs are turned off, so it's not going to start rotating yet. Let's turn the light on, which is this red switch here. Oh, it was already on. I didn't notice that. So yeah, you can see the blue backlight there. So let's leave that on. And then that's already on. So let's turn these onto the clockwise position and it should start moving. And then when I open the door, these should both stop. So yeah, that's a nice feature. Let's put my watch in here. Doesn't really matter. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Does the top one do the right or the left? So the top knob controls the left side, and then the bottom knob would control the right side. So there we go. All right, let's put my watch in here on the right side. And then I'll do a follow-up video here, maybe in another month or so. I still need to do a follow-up video on the other one. I've been running the 2-watch winder in my bedroom for like a month now. And it runs every day. So let's see, I think this is how you should do it. No, nope, I think I did that the wrong way. I want to go the other way. So these are oval shaped. You want to go the long way across the oval here, not the short way. So let's get that in there. And there we go. Let me know in the comment section if you guys use a watch winder. I really haven't used one. I've been using them now since I've gotten a few of them. I think this is the 4th one I've received now. You know, I have so many different watches. I put them on maybe every other day, every few days. So I don't have enough watch winders for my watches. My wife is using one. She just has a couple automatic watches and she doesn't like messing with having to reset the date and everything and the time. So it's working great for her. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys use watch winders. Let me know if you heard of this brand. Like I said, this one right now is $100, and then the 2-watch winder as time recording is $49. So that will conclude this video. I think I've showcased everything. I'll turn off the shop lights here. Maybe you'll see the backlight a little bit better. So yeah, there you go. It looks kind of cool. Nice little backlight. So as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.